Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Shah. In this video, we'll install and set up pfSense, then move on to installing Windows Server 2022 and Server 2025. We'll also perform some basic configuration like setting up IP address and computer name for our primary and secondary servers. At the end, we'll add an extra hard drive to both servers. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Open Hyper-V Manager, right-click on FW, connect, start, give it a few minutes, press enter, 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 enter again, enter, press spacebar, enter, press tab, enter. Before rebooting, you need to turn off this machine and then go back to your firewall, right-click on it, click on settings, go to your hard CD-ROM, change it to none. If you won't do this, then it will keep installing. It will keep try to install pfSense again and again, and it will go into a loop. All right, go back here, click start, give it a few seconds. Okay, should VLANs be set up now? Press no. Enter. Enter the WAN interface name. So we have two interfaces, HN0 and HN1. And if you're not sure which one is your WAN and which one is your LAN, then I can show you how to identify it. Right click on your firewall, click on settings, come down here. This is your firewall, this is the WAN. Click on advanced feature, and here you can see the MAC address. It ends with 4541. Go back here and you can see 4541 here. HN0 is our WAN adapter. So let's type HN0, press enter, HN1, configure LAN, enter. Do you want to proceed? Yes. When you are on this screen, here you can see WAN is set up with DHCP and LAN is also set up with DHCP, but we need to change LAN from DHCP to static. Let's press number 2, set interface IP address. Press enter. Press 2 again for LAN. Configure IPv4 address interface via DHCP. No. Enter the new IP address. Here I will type 10.10.10.254. Enter. Now I will type 24-bit mask for 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Enter the new LAN. For WAN, enter the LAN IPv4 upstream gateway. Press enter. Configure IPv6 address LAN interface. No. Enter the new LAN IPv6 address. No. Enter the new LAN IPv6 address. Press enter. Press no. Press yes for Y. Y is for yes. And here it is set up. So our LAN has 10.10.10.254. This will be our router IP address to access internet. Right click on server 2022, connect, start, press spacebar immediately, otherwise it will not go in the installation mode. Next, install now. Data center evaluation desktop experience, select, next, accept, next, install Microsoft Server operating system, next, click on new, apply, okay, make sure primary is selected, next. After installation, it will restart the machine, and here you can create your password, finish, type your password, click on local server. Here you can see computer name, click on it, click on change, give it a name. I will give it DC0, press OK, OK, restart now, type password, go to local server again. Here you can see Ethernet, click on it, right click, properties, TCP/IP, properties, use the following IP address. We will give it 10.10.10.100, 255.255.255.0, and the gateway will be 10.10.10.254 for a pfSense. I will initially configure the server to use public DNS servers, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. So it can connect to the internet and download updates. Once the domain is set up, the server will use its own IP address for DNS, and the public DNS servers will be added as forwarders for external name resolution. That's okay. And also you can see here, we don't have any internet access or network access. That's okay. Close. Give it a few seconds. Go back to Hyper-V. Right click, right click on server 2025. Connect. Start. Press spacebar. Next. Next. Agree. Desktop experience. Data center evaluation. Next. Accept. Create partition. Apply. Make sure primary is selected. Next. Install. Let's check our server 2022. Here you can see we have internet access now. Let's shut down our server for now to add the extra hard drive that I was talking about earlier in the beginning of this video. Right click, go to settings, add hardware, SCSI, and then click on add. Hard drive, click on add, click here on new, next, next. I, I'm giving it name D, and this is where I want it to be added in this location to find the hard drive later on if I need to. Next, I'm changing it to 60. Click next, 60 hard drive, finish, apply, and here you can see the second hard drive that we have right now. That's okay. Let's start our server back on. Type your password, enter, right click on Windows button and go to disk management. Here you can see the second hard drive. Right click over here, online, right click again, initialize disk. That's okay. Now right click on this side, new simple volume. Next, next. The drive letter, it will be assigned SE because D is already assigned with our CD-ROM. Next, I will give it a name as D. Next, finish. So here you can see our second hard drive. Let's go to our server 2025. Create password. Next, finish. Type your password. We will do the same thing over here. Change the name. Set up IP address, DNS, and then we will add the hard drive. Go to local server, click on computer name, change DC1, that's okay. Okay, close, restart. Let's go back to our server 2022. Let's update. Type update in your search. Check for updates. Check for updates. Just checking for updates. Okay, now it has started to download. Go back to server 2025. Type the password. Local server. Go to Ethernet. Click on it. Right click. Properties. IPv4. Properties. Use the following IP address. We will give it a name as 10.10.10.101. Our primary server is 100 and secondary server is 101. 255.255.0. For a default gateway, we will have 10, 10, 10, 254. Here I will give it public DNS. That's okay. Close. Okay, here you can see we also have internet access over here for our server 2025. Let's come here, type update, check for update, and it will start downloading all the updates. After the updates are done, we will move on to the installing Active Directory and promote our servers to domain controller in our next video. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.